Cracks in brick, cracks in block, sticking windows or doors. Settling or sinking foundation, it's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Tuesday, the 3rd of May. I'm James Spann. Most of Alabama dry during the day today. We'll have the chance of scattered showers and storms around tonight and tomorrow. The next really organized rain event probably late Thursday night or during the day Friday. Let's talk about it. This is the upper air look across the country early this morning. I got a very active wave pattern, but still we have flat ridging here across the deep south, deflecting most of the wave energy north and west of the state. We have one wave coming through parts of Iowa and Missouri, another upper low that's over the western states. And that was the radar this morning, a little before 5 o'clock, a weakening batch of showers coming into Memphis and Shreveport. But most of Alabama will be dry during the day today. Temperatures this morning very mild and muggy. Upper 60s, a few low 70s. Birmingham at 71 to start the day. It feels like summertime. Highs will be in the 80s today. There's the watch warning map. The east is quiet. Got some freeze warnings for parts of Kansas, Colorado, and the northwest Texas panhandle. A risk of severe storms today in a broad zone from Shreveport to Pittsburgh. The higher probabilities are up around Louisville, Cincinnati, and Columbus, Ohio. This is tomorrow, the new system with a chance of severe storms over parts of Oklahoma and West Texas. Day 3, which is Thursday, we have an enhanced risk over much of Arkansas and some of the adjacent states. And keep in mind, this outlook extends through 7 a.m. Friday, and that risk does extend into the northern and western part of Alabama through 7 a.m. Friday, a marginal risk. And at this point, SPC is not defined a risk beyond 7 a.m. Friday because of low confidence in modeling and exactly how the whole situation plays out. We'll talk more about this in modeling here in a second as we go. Then day 6 on Sunday, got a risk of severe storms out around Wichita, Kansas City, and Omaha. And day 7, Monday, a risk of severe storms, again for parts of the nation's breadbasket. But around here, the weekend should be dry. Rain for the next 7 days. Heaviest rain will be north of the state. For Alabama, the amounts 1/2 to 1 inch for the north, under 1/2 inch for the south. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Got one wave coming out toward the Great Lakes. The next upper low is over the Rockies. And again, we've got general ridging here. Down at the surface, a low is north of Indianapolis with a trailing front. And again, for most of Alabama, the day will be dry, but tonight, that weakening front could push some thunderstorms in here, scattered showers and storms. This is midnight tonight, coming off the high-res NAM. Nothing widespread, nothing severe, but there could be a rumble of thunder. This is tomorrow, that weak surface boundary near the Alabama-Tennessee border. This is the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow evening at 7. You can see a few scattered showers and storms across the central part of the state. So the bottom line is a few scattered showers or storms tonight, and then again maybe tomorrow afternoon. But nothing especially widespread, nothing severe. Otherwise, for tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds with highs back in the 80s. This is Thursday. The new system is off to the west with a surface low that's over Kansas, and a decent chunk of the day Thursday should be dry, and again, highs up in the middle 80s. Now, Friday, this is Friday morning at 10, the GFS depicting the cold front pushing into northwest Alabama. This is the European. It's slower. This is Friday afternoon at 4, and it's got the surface front near the shoals. So again, there's some inconsistency in modeling in exactly how long the storm threat will linger during the day Friday, but the slower European solution, and again, this is a very reliable medium-range model, suggesting storms could linger into part of the afternoon on Friday. And the air should be unstable in advance of the front. This is Friday at 4, and you can see pretty much pick out the boundary there from near Huntsville down to about Tuscaloosa. The rain should be over by Friday night, the rain and storms. And this is the flash density product showing really the more organized storms a little east of Alabama by Friday at 4. So we'll mention thunderstorms Thursday night into Friday. It will not rain the entire time. Storms could be strong, possibly severe. If we do have severe storms, the main threat most likely would be from strong winds and hail. I'd say the tornado threat is fairly low based on the forecast wind profiles. But again, once we get within 60 hours, we'll be within range of the convection allowing high-resolution models. We'll have a much better idea of how this whole thing plays out. But the good news, the weekend looks great. This is Saturday, this is Sunday. Mother's Day weekend will feature sunny days and fair nights. Highs probably upper 70s on Saturday, then back in the 80s on Sunday. Monday, we're dry. Really much of next week looking quiet. This is a week from today. Look at that 591 upper high on top of us. And obviously, we're warm and dry, and we might creep up there toward 90 next week for the first time this year. And that word hot creeps in the forecast. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, May 12th, 591 upper high over the deep south. And again, we're pretty much dry with only just a small chance of a shower. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 1 and 1.5 inches between now and the 17th of May. And yeah, buddy, I see 90 on this map here. The graph, this is coming off the national blend of models with the upper high. This is suggesting we might see low 90s by the middle of next week for the first time this year. Here comes summertime. Latest CPC outlook, May 10th through May 16th, below average in the west. For the east, including the deep south, temperatures will likely be above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick, cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.